Well, folks, they say all good things must come to an end. And today is Monday, and I left home a week ago, well, 2 weeks ago this Thursday. So I don't know, it's a correct 3 days. I've been traveling the better part of 11 days. And oh, wow, it's been an incredible trip. You know, it really has. I mean, everything about this trip has just been fantastic. It's nice to be on the road. And to be honest with you, I've got mixed emotions about going home, but I've got a garden and I've got to go, I got to go back to my garden and get things ready for the state fair that's coming up. And, but anyway, I thought I'd take you for one more paddle this morning. You see, look at this beautiful. The sun is just about to come up, and it's going to illuminate those mountains off in the distance. Here's the campsite. You see, there's my little campsite right there. Look at that. So I've been here about 5 nights, I think. It's been fantastic. But right now, I'm going to go down into the water, and I'll bring you along. I don't know what song I'll put on a song. I'm just going to put on my music. And it's just a collection of all different types of songs that I've liked over the years. And I'll find something as I'm paddling along that will inspire me. But look at that view. Oh my goodness. All right, let's go get, well, no, let's not go get wet. Let's just go and enjoy the beautiful morning and scenery. All right, here we go. Or I should say, here we row. Is that right? Oh, wow. You know what I love about this kayak? What I really love about this kayak is all the other times I've tried to get kayaks, they're inflatable. They're inflatable or they're not, and they're not this. You can't fold them up like a suitcase. And they're kind of a hassle to bring around. But this thing, you can set this thing up in 10 minutes and then break it down in just as fast. All right. Ooh. This is just incredible. All right, I'm going to shut up and just put on some music for you.
It's the end of a perfect day for surfer boys. The sun's dropping down in the bay and falling off the world. There's a diamond in the sky. Our evening star. Shangri-La, get that fire burning strong right here in my life. It's here and then it's gone. There's no secret anyhow. To the music of guitar. This is all the heaven we've got, right here where we are, in our Shangri-La.
No time. I made it way over to the other side of the lake. Oh, it's beautiful. And I can see the mountains are just starting to catch the first rays of the morning sun. Oh, it's just fantastic.
This is all the heaven we've got, right here where we are, in our Shangri-La, in our Shangri-La, in our Shangri-La.
I'm making it back, and you know, the sun still hasn't come up, but that's okay. Well, it's come up. It's just come up on the other side of the ridge. But you know, I'll share a thought with you as I'm paddling along, thinking to myself, you know, at 61 going on 62, there are those that speculate as to what motivates me to do these videos. You know, to do the whole YouTube thing, and there's no shortage of people that think that a great part, if not most of my inspiration is the attention. And you know, I mean, who doesn't like attention? Everybody loves attention. But that doesn't motivate me to do these videos. As I was paddling along, I thought of when I was a young boy growing up in Euclid, Ohio on the shore of Lake Erie. I would sit in the classroom and I would just daydream, and I'd look at the map of the world, and I'd look out the window and I would think, boy, you know, with one life to live, it'd be a shame not to see as much of this beautiful world as possible. And little did I know at that young age that I was visualizing my future. That's what I was doing. I saw it. I saw me traveling the world. And, you know, here I am. I've traveled the world, not once, but probably 2 or 3 times. And from the earliest time when I started traveling the world, when I started traveling, I should say, I was so excited. I just wanted to share it with people. Not in a braggadocious manner, but rather just to share the beauty and the wonderful of wonders of the world through my eyes. And I've been able to do that. And I'm still able to do that. So as long as I'm able to do that, there's my camper right there. But as long as I'm able to do that, why not? It really doesn't take a lot of effort to do these videos. It's just kind of, I don't know, second nature to me. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this trip. And I think I've got another one lined up in August. Well, this is August. Oh my good. I think I have another one lined up in another couple weeks. So, wow, look at this. Just fantastic. All right, home sweet home. That's what I'll be saying in about 4 hours when I, hopefully, Lord willing, pull up to my house. Look at this, right back to where I started. Wow. Okay. There it is. Have a wonderful day, folks.